out there and vote, though. And it sounds like the morning is the time to go tomorrow.
Yeah, if you could possibly get into work a little later than normal in order to vote, Eric, that probably bodes well for people.
So it'd be a little bit easier than what we'll have during the afternoon and the evening. That being said, if you have to head out later in the day, everyone's schedule's a little bit different, right? Just make sure you have your rain gear ready to go as we head into the afternoon and the evening. You probably have it nearby. It's rained every day this month except for yesterday, which was a beauty. We'll certainly give Sunday credit. It was perfect out there. Tonight, some drizzle falling, 52 degrees in Boston. Wind coming off the ocean out of the east at 16 miles per hour. Tonight's storm is a weaker variety. It's brought some wet conditions, but not soaking rain. This storm is a little bit more powerful that moves in tomorrow, and so a chance for some thunder actually moving through as we head into the afternoon and the evening. Atmosphere is colder, so we might actually see some small hail if any thunderstorms can get going. But for tonight, just light rain and drizzle coming down across the area. Fog is becoming a little bit more dense. Half-mile visibility in Worcester now, 1.75 miles in Boston, and it will be a very damp, drizzly, foggy morning early tomorrow. No other major weather issues, just an overcast first half of the day. Then as we move toward 1 o'clock, we'll start to track these downpours rolling in from the west, starting first across western and central Mass, then later in the afternoon and toward the evening, heading over toward the Boston area. Then toward the Cape and the islands. Most of your rain is after sunset. It's more toward the evening. Again, some locally heavy downpours are likely. Then the whole line of it moves offshore by about 10 o'clock tomorrow night. We'll be tracking temperatures that'll be rising in the afternoon and the evening. So after a cool and damp start to the day, we jump up into the 60s late in the afternoon, so it turns pretty mild. The southwest wind allowing that to happen, but the spike is fairly late in the day. We'll go to 63 in Boston, 60s across all of southeastern Massachusetts, a little cooler across the interior. We'll stay in the 40s and 50s most of the day for northern Worcester County and across New Hampshire as well. We begin the day calm, not much wind out there through lunchtime. That wind arrives with a burst of that milder air. I think our gustiest winds will be especially across the south coast, the Cape, and the islands. Some gusts over 40 will be possible in those locations. And the wind turns more westerly overnight, and it will stay breezy as we head into Wednesday. But we do get the sunshine midweek. Wednesday looks like a pretty nice day. It'll be breezy, but we're around 60 degrees. Not too bad for this time of year. Thursday features less wind, bright sunshine again. Temperatures into the 50s. Outdoor cleanup, I'd say Thursday would be the best overall day, and we're all behind schedule on that because of all the rainfall we've been dealing with. Speaking of, more of that arriving on Friday. It looks like the afternoon and the evening. Another area low pressure will move right up over the top of us, so this could be a soaking, heavier variety of rain, again, especially toward the second half of the day into Friday night. Good news is that system should get out of here by Saturday. So as we look at the weekend, some cooler air will certainly be moving in, but we could get 2 straight days of dry weather over a weekend. We haven't had that in quite a while. It's been a couple of months since both weekend days were both dry. Then as we look toward next week, the pattern suggests some colder than average air will be here for the middle of the month. So it's been a mild start. Looks like a shot of some wintry air next week. And then we may finish on a milder note toward the end of the month again. So some ups and downs this November. Here's our full 7-day. Tomorrow tracking the afternoon rain, brighter skies, pleasant conditions for Wednesday and Thursday. Second half of the day rain on Friday. And right now the weekend, highs in the 40s, but tell you what, this time of year, average high is about 52 this weekend, so it's not too far off the mark.
Oh, and sunshine is a nice addition for both days. Thanks, Eric.